Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making tiger nut milk drink with dates and coconuts. This is my first time ever using dates in any of my recipes and even tasting it in general. Also be using some ice cubes, my commercial silver crust blender, cheesecloth, a bowl, spatula, a milk jug, glasses, glass jugs, some bottles which are plastic and glass bottles. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To deseed the dates one by one until everything in there is worked on. Then we are going to wash them thoroughly with some water before we start the blending process. We pick up our blender, then we pour into it our tiger nuts. We add onto it our coconuts, then we add the dates and our ginger. Now we add in some water, cover with the lid, and then place it onto the silver crust commercial blender, which is going to get the job done perfectly. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes at most because of how hard the coconuts were and the dates at a point. Next, we are going to start the blending process. After the blending process is done, we remove the blender cap from the blending machine. Then we separate it and set it aside. We are going to then pick up our bowl. Into the bowl, we are going to pour into it our ice cubes. We cover the bowl with the cheesecloth and then pick up our blended tiger nut mix and then we pour it right into the cheesecloth, which is covering the bowl. We use some water to rinse the blender cap, add it to it, bring the edges of the cheesecloth together, and we start the squeezing process until every milk in there is brought out. After all the squeezing is done, we are going to get rid of the chaff and then we stir everything together. Then we'll add into it our sweetened condensed milk, which we made from whole milk. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We stir the condensed milk, which has been added to the milk mixture, together until everything is evenly combined and distributed. Then we move on to fetching it with a bowl into our milk jug, which we are going to transfer from the milk jug into the bottles that were displayed earlier. After all the bottles have been filled, we'll pick up the lids of the bottles and then we place them onto each of them. Next, we'll pick up our glass bottle and then we'll pour some of the tiger nut milk drink into it. We cover with the lid and then we'll serve the rest into our glass cup. And this is how it looks like